Are you on the rebound in search of a new home even after some bad luck with the previous home? Are you that so-called boomerang buyer? Well, there's good news for you. You may be able to finance a new property even if you've had a short sale or even a foreclosure on a previous one. Chae duPont, attorney partner from the law firm of Morris duPont, is here now with that good news. A lot of people are going to be shocked to hear this, I think.
Well, in a good way, because it means that if you previously did a short sale or you even went through foreclosure on your property, you might be thinking, oh, my credit is devastated, I'll never be able to get another home, but it's not true. The lenders are looking to really market to that segment of the home buying population. And that's because those people have normally cleared up their debt and their credit score is now coming back, and they want to give out mortgages. So this is for people who have gone through the short sale process or have the foreclosure and they're at least 2 to 3 years out. They should be looking to possibly finance a new property.
So their credit has to be on the rise.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be great.
Okay.
It has to be over 620 normally.
Okay.
So, there's lots of things you can do. We at Morris duPont, we do credit restoration. We help people to bring their credit score back up. But 620 should be doable when you're at least 18 months out of a short sale or foreclosure, if you don't have any other, past dues during that time period.
So is that about the right amount of time that a potential buyer would have to wait, is 18 months after a short sale or foreclosure?
We like to meet with people at about 18 months because we like to look at the credit report and see whether or not we need to do some further credit repair, credit restoration to get that credit score up. Also look at the income and also have them meet with a mortgage broker to see, what other red flags there might be. But certainly if you've gone through a short sale or gone through a foreclosure, you should be thinking, yeah, I can get back into the market. There's certainly some great buys out there in the Tampa Bay area.
No kidding. Now, are the rules different, Chae, if depending on if you've gone through a short sale or a foreclosure?
Good question. Yes, they are a little different because I guess I think of it as the lenders kind of punish you for allowing a property to go all the way to a foreclosure sale and for you to not have helped to mitigate the lender's losses by doing a short sale. So we've got a couple of charts we're going to put up, and we're going to show the difference between if you do a short sale, you can get into an FHA property in 2 to 3 years. Right? You could get a Fannie or Freddie in 4 years. If you do a foreclosure, yes, in a VA and an FHA, you could get in 3 years. But if you did a foreclosure and it went all the way to foreclosure sale, Fannie or Freddie aren't going to give you a mortgage until 7 years out.
All right, well, let's talk about the interest rates, because usually, people are going to be like, okay, I could do this, but I'm going to have to be paying through the nose in order to do it. Is that true?
Again, a common fallacy. It's not true because you're going to get competitive interest rates if you've got the credit score above 620. So if you're going to be able to qualify for the mortgage in the first place, then as long as you can qualify for the mortgage, you should be able to get a very competitive interest rate. We had a previous client that came back for the credit restoration. Last week we closed with them and they got a 3.99%.
Wow.
And they were 4 years out of a foreclosure sale.
Fantastic. Well, I'll tell you what, a lot of people who have gone through it and it's been horrible, a lot of people have. This is great news for them. Thank you so much, Chae. All right, learn more about this by visiting Chae's website, homemortgagelaw.com, and you can contact the law firm of Morris duPont and schedule a free consultation. That's right, free, by calling the number on your screen, 800-974-2712. Chae duPont, always a pleasure.
Thank you, Jerry.
We'll see you next time.
You bet.
Be right back.